I am Muslim.
Where are you from?
Bangladesh.
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 Oh, nice.
Country.
How old are you?
What do you think about my age?
I think you 28. 28?
Oh, you have been very close. A little bit up.
31?
30.
Just 30?
30.
Oh, nice.
How old are you?
Nice. Guess what? Guess what?
I think you are 24.
Up.
25.
Yes.
Are you a student or you do any job?
She's student.
Okay, she's a student. What about you?
I am graduated. I have a work. I am beauty girl, you know?
100%. Absolutely, you are dazzling. Very beautiful, fabulous, stunning, very cute, everything.
Oh my god. Oh, you're a sweet talker. You are a sweet talker. You know that?
No, I don't think that.
I say that. You are a sweet talker.
Oh, really? So, do you have boyfriend?
Mm,
Yes, absolutely. Absolutely. You have. You are thinking to decide.
I love someone. I love someone. But
Okay.
I don't have boyfriend. But I love someone.
But I will come in your country. You're from Egypt, right?
Egypt, yes.
Yeah,
You will come?
yeah, I will come in your country. Will you receive me? Will you receive me?
Why? No. If you have money, you can go.
I have money. I'm a predominant YouTuber. I will bring more than 2,000 US dollar for yours. 2,000 US dollar for you, and 1,000 for you, and another 1,000 for your sister.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I will
Where? Where?
by 2025 in February, I will try to enter into your country.
So far.
Oh, so far, but I will go to the Thailand by January.
Thailand?
Yeah, and
Why? I know Thailand. I know people in Thailand.
yeah, the Thailand because
I have friends.
Okay.
I have friends in Thailand.
okay, I
You know
understand.
that?
Okay,
I have friends.
okay, but listen, I want to move around the globe, not only Thailand, not only Egypt, America, British, Canada, Australia, and so on. So I want to explore and to go.
Oh, I love travel. I love travel. Oh my god.
Okay, so do you want to marry me?
Let me think.
Sure. Let me think. Okay, think about it.
Wait. wait.
Okay, I'm waiting.
What are you offering me?
What do you want to get from me? What's your desiredness from me? What do you want? iPhone?
No.
So what do you want?
She wants iPhone.
You want? So listen, as I said you, I want to give you 1,000 and another 1,000 for your sister. So you can get anything what you want.
I know. You said that before. I know.
Yeah.
I will ask you another question.
Okay, go ahead.
Why you will marry me? Give
Yeah.
me
Sure.
5 reasons.
I am gonna give you 5 reasons why I want to get marry you. Listen to me.
Okay. I will listen.
Number 1, you're a Muslim.
Okay.
Number 2, you born in Muslim country. That I love, Egypt.
Okay.
Number 3 is you're so beautiful.
Oh.
And number 4 is you both are so much generous, very honest to the people. And number 5 is you love traveling. By the way, I can get you across the globe together.
I think you accept. You
Oh,
accepted.
thank you.
You accept.
100%.